Hey everyone, my name is Apurva and today I have something wonderful to show you guys. It is a hammer ball toy kit. This is by Trinkets and More and it is ideal for kids above 2 years of age. The package includes one wooden shelf, 4 balls and 1 hammer. To play, the kids need to use the hammer to strike the balls. When all the balls have been hammered in all the way, they roll back out and kids can get ready to start the fun all over again. The brightly colored, smooth sanded pieces help build early shape, color, and size differentiation skills. The hammer helps develop gross and fine motor skills, hand-eye coordination, and relieve stress. You can also teach them to recognize different colors and match them with the balls and enhance wrist strength. This set is durable and compact and you can carry it anywhere you go and it keeps your kid entertained for hours. And not only that, it is a great gifting option for toddlers.